Stranger Things Season 5 release date. Stranger Things is set to end with a bang. Season 5 is going to be the show's last ever season. So what do we know about the final episodes of the Netflix series? And will there be a spin-off series? This and more details in today's video. Sit back and enjoy. So far, Stranger Things Season 4 has proven to be the show's biggest and scariest outing yet. It's also been its most popular, racking up some incredible viewing numbers over its opening weeks of release. After Volume 2 drop, fan talk has already begun about the plans for Season 5 and how Stranger Things might come to an end. The series writers and producers, the Duffer Brothers, have always had an ending and full series plan for Stranger Things, but it has been a closely guarded secret. So what do we already know about Stranger Things Season 5 finale? Season 5 the final? In a recent letter to Stranger Things fans, the Duffer Brothers confirmed that the show would bow out with a fifth and final season. It's been 7 long years and it's perhaps the right time, the Duffer Brother wrote. 7 years ago, we planned out to complete story arc for Stranger Things. At the time, we predicted the story would last 4 to 5 seasons. It's proved too large to tell in 4, but as you'll see for yourselves, we are now hurtling towards our finale. Season 4 witnessed a wild ending and we'll do a brief descriptions. In case you haven't watched Season 4 already, be wary of spoilers. So it was revealed that Vecna needed to kill 4 people to rip apart the dam between the Upside Down and Hawkins. With Max joining Vecna's death list, the Upside Down was able to rip through Hawkins, opening up a giant hole between the 2 parallel worlds. In the closing sequence, we saw the snow-like particles from the Upside Down raining down upon Hawkins. The local thinks they have just witnessed a devastating earthquake, but Eleven and the gang know what's really coming is the final battle with Vecna and all the creatures of the Upside Down. Before Eleven fought back, Vecna was able to twist Max Mayfield's limbs, blind her, and according to hospital staff, leave her dead for several minutes. Eleven was able to use her powers to heal Max, but her abilities only stretched to keeping her friend alive physically. In the hospital, Max is in a coma, and when Eleven returned into Max's mind, all she could find was an eerie, watery emptiness. Heading into Season 5, Max is technically alive, but things look pretty bleak for her. The book Lucas was reading to Max, Stephen King's The Talisman, may offer some clues for what lays ahead in Season 5. The popular 80s novel has many similarities to Stranger Things with an adventure about parallel universes. The main thrust of the story is about a hero searching for a magical item to save a loved one's life. That might be some foreshadowing for Lucas and/or Eleven's story in Season 5. As Vecna battled Eleven in Max's mind and was attacked by a tooled-up Robin, Steve, and Nancy, it wasn't clear whether Vecna would make it through the Season 5. The final episodes explain how Vecna first explored the Upside Down and used the energy in the Upside Down to create the Mind Flayer. Henry Creel's fascinations with Spider was a big clue. Will's connections to the Mind Flayer was reignited when he returned to Hawkins, and he knows that Vecna, or the Mind Flayer, is still alive and ready to strike again. Only when the Hawkins gang are able to take down Vecna completely will they be able to rest easy and end their battle with the Upside Down. Eddie's return. Everything about Eddie's final hurrah was perfectly pitched, but some fans are determined that it won't be over for Joseph Quinn's character and that he could return from the dead in Season 5. There are various theories floating around online about time travel, Eleven's healing power, Dustin's hiding Eddie from the rest of Hawkins. We are not convinced, but if you want a coping mechanism, reading some of the fan theories might help you get over the shock. The origin of the Upside Down. So many questions have been answered in Stranger Things Season 4, but the origins of the Upside Down are still a mystery. According to the Duffer Brothers, Season 5 will bring closure to the origins of the Upside Down. They also spoke about the significance of the Upside Down being frozen on the day Will Byers went missing, which was revealed in Season 4 Volume 1. They added, "That is very significant. They resolved that, but that is a huge part of Season 5, and we wanted to put that out there and get people talking about it." Season 5 is going to be really exciting, and we expect all the big questions to be answered and mysteries to be solved in the final season. The final season isn't going to be out at least until 2023, so till then you can just go through the fan theories on the web. Well, that's all for today's video. Hope you enjoyed this one.